Assalamualaikum students. The next topic of our discussion is the phase. As you have seen phase on the board, like phase is basically the angle theta is equal to omega t, which specifies the displacement as well as the direction of point executing simple harmonic motion. ऐसा angle that specify the displacement as well as the direction of point executing simple harmonic motion. First, we consider this diagram. Like the mean position is O, first extreme position is D, and the second extreme position is E. The body will vibrate, or you can say move in a simple harmonic motion that have one mean position and two extreme position along ODE. As we need to consider the phase, let us suppose that O is the origin and O1 is its point of initial displacement. That it moves from its initial point to a point that is P initial, making an angle phi. After some time it will go at the point P, making an angle omega t, and the displacement known as x naught. The value of displacement from O to N is x. After explaining this diagram, come to the explanation. Like as starting from t is equal to 0, ON is equal to x. Like in the figure, ON is equal to x. Displacement named as x. That is equal to OP sine of omega t plus phi. OP sine of omega t plus phi. That this position, this object, this position will go towards D and come back to O. When it comes back to O, or it goes from O to D, it will make a combined angle that is omega t plus phi. In the figure, it is clear that OP is equal to x naught. So I have put OP is equal to x naught. Sine omega t plus phi. I have named this equation as equation number 1. The phase angle omega t plus phi is equal to theta. Let us suppose, as the physics is name of the supposition, let us suppose it is equal to theta. Then equation can be written as x naught sine of theta at the place of omega t plus phi. As we are discussing about the phase, the angle at which the body goes from its mean position to the first extreme position, or first extreme position to the mean position, after that the second extreme position. As we are starting from t is equal to 0 and theta is equal to phi, the first initial phase is phi. Phi is the initial phase. And if phi is equal to pi by 2, as it is moving from 0 to d, its value is pi by 2. The displacement will be x is equal to x naught sine of omega t plus 90. Sine of omega t plus 90, since we got that cos omega t is equal to cos of omega t. So put cos of omega t in the upper equation. X is equal to x naught cos of omega t, called phase angle. And remember that in this case, the point N is starting its motion from the extreme position instead of the mean position. Point N is starting its motion from extreme position instead of mean position. Thank you.